hiding and unhiding Excel rows and columns is really simple. So now let's get started. I'm going to open my Excel sheet. So if you want to hide this one, then click on the hide. Now your row is now done. It's not deleted. It's just hiding. Whatever you hided and whatever you did hide, and so if you want to unhide that row, then you can do it also. Then this row, this column is already hidden. So if you want to unhide this one, then select and click on unhide. Now we got my column, whatever we have whatever we did hidden. So you can you don't need to delete anything else. This is very important because if you don't want to show this one again and again, so if you can hide, and but if you delete this one, that you are not able to get back that in future. So I think that an hide and unhide option is really important to analyzing data, or to uh, calculate or anything else in your Excel sheet and Excel work. Thanks for watching.